What's up, peeps? So today is going to be either a cool day, cool experience, nice skill set gained, or one of my horrifically horrible ideas risking life and limb and financial danger. So the idea here is to try to fly the 3DR solo drone in smart modes while riding a motorcycle. So, I feel fairly well geared up here and prepared as possible. Picked a nice spot out here, nice day, nice time of day, low wind. However, there's a lot of unknowns, so rather than go for this epic shot that I'm really trying to get out on Patterson Pass Road, which is a very dangerous road to be on a motorcycle to begin with, we're going to start out on a canal road, away from RF, away from physical obstacles, with a nice place to kind of cut my teeth at trying this crazy idea. So I don't recommend anybody at home do this or try this. I feel like I'm fairly well rehearsed in 3DR solo, and my riding skills are up to having a continuous partial attention of piloting two devices. That remains to be seen. So, normally you use the tablet mount on the 3DR control. In this case, I'm going to use my phone mount on top of the Harley. So that's kind of a modification that should make this a little easier. Second off the control, I'm going to use like the tethered yoke that goes on my chest, so the thing can hang freely and one-hand operation. So the idea is left hand on, my clutch, and then when I need to shift over to 3DR to engage or hit a button, that's the left hand happening there. Right hand on the throttle on the motorcycle and the bars at all times, and front brake, of course. So, here's the thing, like, this is dangerous. I don't recommend anybody try this at home. The idea is to try to sharpen my skill set to go be able to play with this in a little more dangerous situation where I feel comfortable with a couple of things. Number one being the smart mode. Follow me, or maybe cable cam, but that's kind of what we're going to test today. Second of which is going to be trust in the equipment, trust in stability, and get some ideas of the quirks. All right, so here's kind of the pre-flight check. So the harness and the controller. Got the GoPro charged up with battery, 3DR with 4 batteries. I got the backpack that'll help me get out there without too much extra gear, without needing a vehicle besides the motorcycle. Got the chin mount on the motorcycle helmet so that you can see, I can have some B footage to switch to anytime that the drone is in my visual range. So here's the bike we're going to be riding today. Here's that mount. Charges the phone, keeps it here in my visual range. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get geared up here, head over to that spot on the levee, and we'll see you in just a moment. Alright. Okay, so I have camera control now. I don't have video. Okay, but in any event, let's give this a fucking shot. Fuck it. Start this booch up. So the wind is kind of an issue. So I'm flying blind here, but what we can do is go into follow mode. Follow can't find me. That's an issue. Let's try orbit. Just gonna orbit and I'm gonna take off when it's behind me. So so now it's running and rolling, and I'm getting in orbit. Here we go. That's a cool shot. You can hard to tell. I'm gonna keep rolling around this little bend because the camera's still spinning. We'll do a couple of these. So the camera is still spinning around in that circle, which is pretty fucking cool. And I can just ride.
Climate scanner.